Today we're going to be looking at the most profitable trading strategies for 2024 with a new secret weapon that I've found for retail traders to help us build fantastic setups together. But before I go any further, I have one burning question for you guys. What is your favorite trading strategy? I'd love to know down in the comments below. And don't forget, every Friday I give away 100 USDT. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're going extremely well. My name is David and welcome back to my channel where I go through trading strategies. Today I'm going to be looking at something a little bit different. Instead of looking at trading strategies themselves, I'm going to be talking about an inspired movement in our community, which is hopefully going to make lots of trading strategies are much more profitable for everybody. I'm going to go through a couple of trading strategies that we've built together as a community and show you some of the results that have come from DaviddTech. Now, this isn't selling anything. I'm just looking to show you what a community of people can do together when working together on a strategy instead of at your house or at home or at work in your office by yourself. I recently watched a film called Dumb Money, which inspired me to build a group inside of my Discord. Dumb Money is a film about a guy called Keith Gill, also known or more well known as Roaring Kitty. Keith Gill's managed to group together or create a community of 1,000 or more people who managed to short squeeze GameStop thanks to a thread or post inside of Reddit, which proved to all of us and proved to me that when people unite together, we can actually beat the market and the big old institutions out there. It's not about in the slightest a solo journey, but more a collaborative move together, and that's what I'm kind of trying to build with DaviddTech. Now, I know it's slightly different. I'm trying to look at indicators, trading strategies, because I do believe that a lot of trading strategies are out there to help us lose money and not make money. Many indicators and many strategies are adapted to different marketplaces, although everybody seems to think that you can trade any trading indicator on any single market on default settings, and that just doesn't work. So my idea is to build trading strategies inside of DaviddTech or open source trading strategies or any other trading strategy that you can find and work together as a group to find the best settings for those trading strategies, or at least profitable trading strategies that we can work together with. Now, I've been doing this for around 3 months with a medium-sized to small group of people inside of our Discord, and we've come up with some really exciting trading settings together. There's hundreds of settings already in the group and a couple of them have stood out, so I'm going to share those with you today. I'm going to show you some of the screenshots that we come up with, some of the TradingView charts. If I could just ask one favor of you guys before I go further in, if you don't mind sharing this video with your friends, family or anybody, I really do hope that we can build this movement together. And don't forget to give it a good old thumbs up, and why not subscribe? I do videos every Monday and Friday, and together we will build this community to make retailers profitable. Now, I know that DaviddTech has its own tiers of payment and it's not all free, but if you do have a trading strategy, I'm trying to open this to as many people as possible. The idea is to make everybody as profitable as possible, including myself. So I'm trying to build the community. If you haven't got the funds to join DaviddTech, but you have a trading strategy idea with proven backtesting results, come and join us. You can join us completely for free just by filling out the form in the link below. If you want to come along and join, you can also join with Patreon as well down below. If you just want to come and join in the fun, chat with us and join the elite backtesters. Thanks to the Patreons, I'm also offering prize pools for the best settings every month. For the past 2 months, we're giving away at least 1,000 USDT every month to the best settings that are found, and I'm trying to increase that as well in the future. So not only will you be able to get the best settings, which is probably the best part of the elite backtesters, you also get access to the chance of winning 1,000 USDT or a part of that pool. Okay, let's get over to my screen. I would like to share with you the elite backtesters and some of the ideas behind it. I'll show you how you can optimize your trading strategies and share them with us, and I'll show you some of the tools that we're also building as a group to try and stop things like overfitting and make sure that we're not overfitting before actually trading these. Okay, let's get over to the screen. Okay, here I am on Discord. I'm in our Elite Backtesters group. As you can see, we're chatting away, sharing settings here inside of a Discord. The Elite Backtesters is looked after by the community manager, Vlad, who's actually setting up charts and everything for everybody to share so that you can see them. As you can see, these are some of the settings that we are sharing together. You'll be able to see there is absolutely tons of great settings in there, and I'm going to open just a couple of them randomly to share with you guys today. They are all being forward tested in a forward testing platform, like I said earlier, so you'll be able to easily either connect them directly to bots, see what the live results are of trading after they've been put through a period of forward testing. You'll be able to connect them to Telegram to see what the revenue would have been if you would have run it through from the beginning, and those kind of wonderful kind of things. So I'm going to go away and open a couple of these inside of TradingView. Okay, so here is the first setup that we have. We have it on a BTC USDT, 30 minutes on Bybit. As you can see, it is currently using the Dead Zone version 5 by DaviddTech. As you can see, the equity curve looks great. We're on the deep back testing here. We have a 45% win rate, and that one was shared by one of our users on Discord as well. We have another one here, which is the QQE Wadata and the McGinley. This gives us back 115% net profit, 209 trades. We have 57 net profit and 1.5 profit factor. We have a drawdown of only 15%, which is absolutely great. And as you can see by all of the backtesting months, a lot of them are in the green, and we're still quite positive. So this one would have been an older strategy by DaviddTech. There is no reason not to optimize the old strategies. We're also optimizing other people's strategies as well to find the best settings from there. Another one here, we have the Super FMA and the Zero Lag version 5. We're currently on the BTC USDT on the 1 hour time frame on Bybit. And as you can see from the backtesting results, most of it is in the green except for the past month or so. The past month we didn't have any trades, but most of the months are in the green. As you can see, we have 446.11 net profit, 147 closed trades. We're back to deep back testing, and we have 71 net profit. We have a profit factor of 2.771 and a drawdown of only 11%. Before I go any further, guys, I have just a quick shout out to say thank you to Bybit for supporting once again this channel. We have been negotiating with Bybit as a community for quite a while now, and we've managed to get 20% off of fees and loads of bonuses up to $40,000 when you deposit in Bybit. Those 20% fee reduction is a huge positive and can be a real trader's edge, so you can sign up below. The links are down in the description below. Thanks, Bybit. So as you can see, the quality of these trading strategies are absolutely brilliant. By uniting together and building trading setups and settings together, we're actually finding the best of the best all as a team, and not just me looking for them on YouTube. We're actually testing everything and forward testing. Let's carry on looking at some more of these results. Here we are on Ethereum USDT on the 1 hour Bybit. As you can see, 243%. We have 182 closed trades. We have 66.4 win rate, and we have a net profit of 2.08. As you can see, most of the months are green there, and if we turn off deep back testing, it is profitable as well. We have a 23% net drawdown. So yeah, okay, let's continue on to the next one. We're back onto BTC USDT. Again, we have the Super FVMA with zero lag. Once again, we have 545% net profit, 132 trades closed. We have 58.33 win rate, and we have a profit factor of 2. The current max drawdown is 15% on that trading strategy. We also have some other stats up here for all of them. As always, we have max wins in a row of 7, max losses in a row of 7, and some great stats in there ready for us to look at. The next one is on SCRT USDT, and as you can see, this is a trading strategy made on Botify by another user. Built it with the tweezer scanner, but not using the DaviddTech strategy. This one seems to be pretty much all the time in a trade, yet it still has 872% net profit, 134 closed trades, and 50% win rate. We have a net profit of 2.05. I think that's going to do. As you can see, I'm really very proud of this part of Discord. We're building fantastic trading strategies together. There is no need to code or anything like that. We're literally looking for the best settings together, whether you're manually changing them, coming up with best settings, getting access to everybody else's settings for that, or using the Optimiser, which I'll show you now. The Optimiser is this tool here, which automates the process of optimizing trading strategies. As you can see, we're 8,000 users of the Optimiser. Imagine the power of 8,000 people working together to find the best settings. It would be absolutely incredible having 8,000 people working together on the same strategies or different strategies, trying to find different pairs and things like that. I personally are very much into crypto, but if you're looking to optimize for Forex or stocks or whatever, you're more than welcome to come and join and share those settings and get access to other settings. I am looking for people to look after the Forex areas and the stock. So if you're interested in becoming a monitor of of our Discord and helping us look after that, please contact me directly. Like I said, the links to all the forms and all of that are in the description below. This one here, we have an atom.usdt. We have 1,491%, 351 trades. We have a net profit of 67. Every chart has been marked by this blue line here, so we know when it was received by our community managers or myself, and we know that what the results are afterwards, looking for forward testing results. And then we have this last one here that we're going to look together today, and this is the SSL hybrid with the QQE strategy. This one, as you can see, the blue line was here. At that point, we had 3 smaller losses and 3 much bigger wins, which is absolutely brilliant. A % win rate of 43.63 win rate. So as you can expect those wins and to be a bit like that anyway. We have a profit factor of 2.263 and a max drawdown of 11.41. So the very last part that I'm going to be showing you guys is the incubate.trade tool. It's a tool that I'm currently working on, so it won't be available to you today, but you will be able to get it very soon. It's a trading strategy, trading journal. So the idea is when we receive all of these trading strategies, we're going to connect it up to a bots system that allows us to record all the trading data. As you can see here, you can see the win rates, the statistics yesterday, this month, and all the time. You'll be able to see the pairs that are traded for each of the trading strategies, and you'll have a list of all of the trades that are made. All of that in one place, so you'll be able to see it very easily, and I'll be adding to those stats very quickly. There is also things like the average leverage used, the number of trades, the average time that the strategy was in a trade for. Yeah, and all of that great stuff that you'll be able to connect very easily inside of here. Once the platform's up and ready, you'll be able to connect directly to Telegram, like I said earlier, where you'll be able to receive notifications and the statistics from here. So you get a quick rundown of the statistics here inside of Telegram every time there's a new trade. You'll also be able to copy it onto some of the crypto exchanges that are connected via Trigger Trade. So as I said earlier, guys, I'm not just trying to push the Patreon, although it does benefit our community when you guys do join. But I'm really just looking for the absolute best settings for us all to work together to build it. As I said earlier, you can download the Optimiser tool for completely free and optimize the trading strategies, and just come in if you find something great. There's a full Optimiser course that you can get for free by DaviddTech and see how the Optimiser works. You can log in and see how the Optimiser works, how to find strategy settings, and you can even get free access to the full DaviddTech by just participating and sharing your best settings with everybody. If you don't want to share your best settings, we obviously have alternatives here where you can actually get into everything, and the extra funds from the Patreon will be put into a pool so we can build prize pools for those who do actually find fantastic settings. So once again, guys, I know it's hard to take somebody serious when they're wearing a Cryptomus jumper, but I really do hope that you guys will come and join us with your settings. Come and enjoy the wonderful settings that we've managed to find from the very beginning. And I really would appreciate if you wouldn't mind sharing this video with your friends and family, as my main objective is really to help retail traders find the best possible settings. And I think the only way to do that is to do it all together as a community, to try and find the best settings. No matter what indicator salespeople will tell you, unfortunately, no indicator will be profitable on all markets. Unless you can backtest and find the settings, there is no point in trading any smart money, dumb money, or any other indicator out there. Unless you have the settings, the backtesting, and the forward testing, more importantly, proof in hand to be able to see whether they really are profitable in real time. Once again, thank you very much for joining me. Without further ado, guys, I will be doing live streams about these settings and things like that weekly. I'll also be doing videos on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays about trading strategies, about settings, about other ways of earning money in crypto and outside of crypto. So I look forward to joining you doing that. I really do hope that we can build this movement together. I look forward to it. So without further ado, keep safe, keep coding, and trade like a boss. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Come on, David. Once again, he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes.